Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring 1/2 cup rolled oats and 3/4 cup water or milk per serving. Use old-fashioned rolled oats for the creamiest texture. Bring liquid to a gentle simmer, add oats, and cook uncovered for about 5 minutes, stirring every minute to release starch and prevent sticking. Remove from heat and let the oats sit for 2 minutes to finish thickening and soften. This step yields a richer mouthfeel than rushing to eat immediately and creates the best neutral foundation for flavors. To build flavor from the start, add 1/4 teaspoon fine salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla to the cooking liquid. The salt amplifies sweetness, while vanilla adds aromatic depth. Use 3/4 cup milk instead of water or a half and half combination for a creamier result, and stir in 1 tablespoon brown sugar or honey while the oats remain warm so the sweetener dissolves evenly. For a warm spice note, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon as you stir. Those additions integrate, not just sit on top. After the base is ready, transform texture and flavor with toppings. Add 2 tablespoons chopped nuts and 1 tablespoon seeds for crunch and healthy fats, and include 1/2 cup fresh fruit or 3 tablespoons dried fruit for brightness and concentrated sweetness. Layer in 1 to 2 tablespoons yogurt or 1 tablespoon nut butter for creaminess and protein. Finish with 1 teaspoon lemon zest or a pinch of flaky salt to lift flavors. These contrasts make each bite interesting and keep oatmeal from tasting flat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.